The greatest achievements in human history didn't come from talent alone. They came from persistence. The willingness to fall 7 times and stand up 8. Thomas Edison failed 10,000 times before successfully inventing the light bulb. When asked about his failures, he said, "I haven't failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before someone took a chance on Harry Potter. Now she's one of the most successful authors of all time. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. He went home, locked himself in his room, and cried. But then he got up and practiced harder than ever before. Your journey isn't about avoiding failure, it's about how you respond to it. Every obstacle is actually an opportunity disguised as a challenge. That project you're struggling with? That goal that seems impossible? That dream others say is too big? They're all waiting for one thing: your unwavering persistence. Inspirational anecdote. Let me tell you about Alex. Alex was 45 years old when he lost his job of 20 years. With a family to support and bills piling up, panic set in. But instead of giving up, Alex used this setback as a reset. He pursued his long-forgotten passion for digital design. For months, he studied every night after his family went to sleep. He faced rejection after rejection. His first clients were few and far between. But he kept pushing, kept learning, kept improving. 3 years later, Alex now runs his own successful design agency. He employs 5 people and has the flexibility to be present for his family like never before. The difference between where Alex started and where he's now? Persistence. Practical advice. Here's how you can harness the power of persistence in your life. Embrace the struggle. Difficulty isn't a sign to quit, it's where growth happens. Set micro goals. Break your journey into small, achievable steps. Celebrate small wins. They fuel your motivation for the bigger battles. Find your why. When the path gets tough, your purpose will pull you through. Develop a growth mindset. See failures as feedback, not final verdicts. Closing remarks. Remember this: success isn't about never falling. It's about rising every time you fall. Your breakthrough might be just one more attempt away. One more day of showing up. One more moment of choosing courage over comfort. The question isn't whether you'll face obstacles, you will. The question is, will you let them define you, or will you let your persistence define you? The choice is yours. But I believe in you. Now it's time for you to believe in yourself. Keep going. Keep pushing. Keep persisting. Your future self will thank you. Outro. If this message resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who needs to hear it today. Drop a comment below with one area where you're choosing to persist despite challenges. Remember, we rise by lifting others. See you in the next video.